Hello. Today I'm here to talk about the solar system. The solar system is a collection of 8 planets and their moons in orbit around the Sun, together with smaller bodies in the form of asteroids, meteoroids, and comets. Mercury's orbit takes a small planet as close as 47 million kilometers, which is about 29 million miles, and as far as 70 million kilometers, which is about 43 million miles from the Sun. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and our closest planetary neighbor. The size of Venus is similar to Earth. Venus spins slowly in the opposite directions that other planets do. Its thick atmosphere traps heat and a runaway greenhouse effect, which makes it the hottest planet in our solar system. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the fifth largest in our solar system. It is just slightly larger than nearby Venus. Earth is the biggest of the terrestrial planets. Our home planet is the only planet in our solar system known to have living things. Mars is a cold desert world. It is half the diameter of Earth and half the same amount of dry land. Like Earth, Mars has seasons, polar ice caps, volcanoes, canyons, and weather, but its atmosphere is too thick for liquid water to exist for long on the surface. Jupiter is the fifth planet from our Sun and the largest planet in our solar system. The atmosphere is mostly hydrogen and helium, and its iconic Great Red Spot is a giant storm bigger than Earth that has raged for hundreds of years. Jupiter is surrounded by more than 50 moons. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system, surrounded with thousands of beautiful ringlets. It is not the only planet to have rings, made of chunks of ice, but none are as spectacular or as complicated as Saturn's. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun with the third largest diameter in our solar system. Uranus is very cold and windy. The ice giant is surrounded by 13 faint rings and 27 small moons as it rotates at a nearly 90-degree angle from the plane of its orbit. Neptune is the last of the hydrogen and helium gas giants in our solar system. More than 30 times as far from the Sun as Earth, the planet takes almost 165 Earth years to orbit our Sun. I hope you've enjoyed my presentation of the solar system. Oh, and one more thing. I have an easier way to remember the order of the planets in the solar system. So there's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So an easy way to remember that is just by using the statement, "My very excellent mother just sent us nachos."